We go to some football news as Spanish Town Police FC recorded their second win in 3 games, while Waterhouse FC have lost 4 of their last 5, as the Jamaica Premier League entered its second round on Sunday. More in this report.
Spanish Town Police FC in their debut season in the Jamaica Premier League had only 2 points after their first 10 top-flight games. However, they have picked up 6 points from the last possible 9 following their victory over the other promoted team, Treasure Beach FC, on Sunday. The local top flight have served up some surprises this season, and with the returning Treasure Beach FC beating third-place Portmore United last weekend, the team from St. Elizabeth were expected to make it 2 from 2. However, it was Spanish Town Police who ensured they left the Waterhouse Mini Stadium with a victory, with a 1-0 win against their opponents. Jordan Elliston was the difference maker for the St. Catherine-based club, netting in the 51st minute. Treasure Beach were reduced to 10 men when Jaim Harris was sent off 6 minutes from time. Despite 2 wins in their last 3 games, Spanish Town Police are still rooted at the foot of the table on 8 points, while Treasure Beach are just above the relegation zone on 12. In the late game, not even the attendance of retired track and field legend Shelley and Fraser Price could inspire Waterhouse FC as they were humbled 2-0 at home by Molynes United. Days after head coach Marcel Gale resigned, the Jerusalem-based team still found the going tough as Nicashay Murray gave Molynes United the lead in the 44th minute. And incoming Argentine coach Javier Einstein learnt firsthand that changing the fortunes of Waterhouse may require the hand of God when Wisdom Ubani sealed the win for Molynes United in the 71st minute.
I thought we played well. I thought we really played to instructions, and we know what we wanted to do before we came here. Guys came and I thought they did just that. Chances in all the games we have played since we restarted the league. So it's not a surprise. I thought we could have gotten 2 or 3 more tonight. But guess what? 2 goals, 3 points away from home. You want to take those.
The result now means that both 7th place Molynes United and 6th place Waterhouse are on 15 points, but Molynes do have a game in hand. Christopher Scott, TVJ Sports.